Hey Jackson, what are you eating? What are you eating?
My cheese.
What color?
Yellow cheese.
Yellow cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And what's in your cup?
Grape juice.
Grape juice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there more?
There is more. What color's your bowl? No. What color's the bowl?
Right there.
It is right there. Is it red?
Yeah.
What color's the top on your cup?
Blue.
It is blue. You're right.
Color
Who's on your cup?
Zoe.
Zoe. Who else is on your cup? Cookie. And Elmo. Yeah. What color's your hair?
Blonde.
Blonde, yeah. What color are your eyes?
Blue.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy dump it.
Yes, we have a dead tree. Daddy needs to dump it. You're right. What's your favorite thing to eat? You don't know?